Hi everybody. This is a little experiment that I'm doing in my ultrasonic. I have been using a stainless steel ultrasonic with citric acid pickle, not with the ultrasonic functioning, just with the heat functioning. The ultrasonic unit in this is broken, so I'm just using the heat. And I've been using citric acid pickle like this for a while in this stainless steel ultrasonic without any issues. But people have said that they have had issues with citric acid pickle plating their jewelry copper, so I wanted to do a little test and see if I could recreate that scenario where it plated the copper. So about 17 hours ago, I set this up where I set, these are low carbon steel strips, one of which, this one, had been heat treated for another experiment, something else that I was doing for testing the metal. But these are steel, low carbon steel, and then this is a jeweler's needle file, which is a high carbon steel. So I have these in here. They've been sitting in here and they're touching this. These down here are copper disc. They're not pennies. People think they're the size of pennies, so they look like pennies, but they're not. They're just copper disc. And these copper tweezers have also been sitting in here for 17 hours. And you can see now around the edge, there's a lot of yellow, which is the iron, I guess, coming from out of the steel. And then there's also a lot of pink coloring here, which is the copper from, obviously, the copper tongs. But when I pull the jewelry out and look at it, here, I'll just take everything out and rinse it. And this is just silver scrap that I had laying around. Wipe it off here. I do notice a little slight discoloration on this silver piece, but it's not copper plated, obviously. But there is a little bit of a slight tone or hue there that I can see when I rotate it under certain light. These pieces really appear to be unaffected, both of them. And this ring also appears to be unaffected. And all this is 925 sterling silver. So I'm not sure. I've done a couple of different tests now, and I've not been able to actually successfully copper plate using citric acid pickle. I know that some people have experienced that issue, but I have not been able to even force it to happen. So I'm not sure what the difference is, if there's more copper or the temperature's higher. I know there's lots of variables here, but I think that using sodium bisulfate or sulfuric acid, this would have been completely copper colored by now. So I have had better luck with citric acid pickle, and as a result continue to use it daily in my studio. So just wanted to share this little update with y'all. Thanks, bye.